What's going on, guys? Wild Whiskey Wolf, and today we have the continuation of the full mod list slash upgrade list for the 2019 ZX-10R. As you can see, the most obvious change is the wheels. Wheels are powder coated. A buddy of mine had a cool idea since Breast Cancer Awareness Month is coming up, and he runs a powder coat shop, and we decided to get the wheels powder coated pink. So I actually ended up liking it, and I might keep it like this for a while. Kind of pops with the green, and I think it looks pretty nice. So moving on to the next one, we got the Brembo Super Sport floating rotors. So as you can see, rotors move around. So if you don't know about floating rotors, the point of that is when the rotors float, instead of being locked into place, they don't rub or cause extra friction to occur with your brake pads and your calipers. So when they're floating, you get a lot better braking power. It's night and day difference, and your acceleration is very much increased. It's actually one of my favorite upgrades slash mods that I've done to this bike is the floating rotors. So I really like that a lot. We got it done at Fast by Few Motorcycle Performance. So if you want to get yours done, you can always hit up Fast by Few and get those done. Also, we ordered the full Aero Evo competition exhaust from Fast by Few. So the bike finally has an exhaust. If you saw my previous video, you noticed that it didn't have an exhaust on it. So we fixed that. We were waiting on the exhaust to arrive. Came from Italy, and as you know, during the month of August, Italy takes holiday leave, so the exhaust took a little bit longer than we expected, but it came in, we got it on. I'm super happy with it. I do have another video with the sound clip of the Aero Evo exhaust on this bike, so should be out either when you see this video or a couple days after. So the sound is just amazing. The reason I went with the Aero Evo exhaust for this bike is I wanted a full exhaust system, but I wanted the can style exhaust. So as you can see from the back, we have that can style. And the reason I wanted that is I've ridden a few bikes with exhaust like SC Project, and I really like that can style exhaust. It has that throaty, deep growling kind of sound. You'll see in the sound clip that I uploaded, it's absolutely incredible. It looks beautiful. You can see the titanium is starting to turn blue. So as we ride it more, that whole pipe's gonna turn blue. So it should look pretty nice. Yeah, I like it. If you do get this exhaust system, it comes with a bracket in the back to mount it on. That if you want to keep your passenger pegs, you're gonna have to put that bracket on the inside of the right passenger peg. It will work, and that way you can keep your passenger pegs. If you ever want to give somebody a ride or strap something down to your rear seat with those passenger peg hooks, you can keep the passenger pegs. So don't think, hey, if I get this exhaust, I'm not going to be able to keep the passenger pegs. You will be able to do it. So yep, that's about it. Stay tuned with the channel. I appreciate everyone's support. I'm gonna have future updates, of course, as we continue to build this bike to our liking.